Mutya ng Davao in one word and why? Quick answer.
Ang Mutya ng Davao should be dedicated because the Mutya ng Davao is not just a job. It is a responsibility for us to create a positive impact on our community that could also benefit the younger generations as well as the future generations. And with that, we should always keep in our mind that being a Mutya ng Davao shouldn't just possess both beauty and brains. The Mutya ng Davao should know her responsibilities and her worth as well, because we will be going to be the face of the Davao City, and that will be all. Thank you.
Mutya number 4.
Same question. Yes, so the Mutya ng Davao, I would describe her as an ate. I work with children all the time, and when you say ate, there's a sense of leadership, of trust, of friendship also, and family that is both important and necessary to become the next Mutya ng Davao.
Davao is intelligent, both intellectually and emotionally. And I say that because she has to lead with her heart, but with well thought of and concrete plans. Thank you.
For me, I describe Mutya ng Davao as a teacher because we can use this platform to teach most especially young girls out there that, as what they've said, that women right now are very empowering, that we can also be dominant on the men's world, on their work and everything like that. And we can teach them that women are not just beautiful, but we are also intelligent. Intelligence that we can share to the world to make this a better place.
I have always believed that a Mutya ng Davao is not just someone who wears the crown or someone who exudes beauty and grace, but she has the heart to serve. And so if I were to describe a Mutya ng Davao in one word, she is compassionate. And as a volunteer worker, I myself can say that I am a very compassionate person, someone who not just exudes beauty and grace, but also is very compassionate to serve and create a lasting impact in our community. Thank you.
The first word that came to my mind is empowerment. Mutya ng Davao has a long-standing history of empowering different women from different backgrounds. Just like what you're seeing today here, we are different women from different socioeconomic status, different stories, but we come together empowered as one, helping each other to empower other women as well. And I think that's the essence of Mutya ng Davao, empowering other women so that we can stand as a strong nation. Thank you.
For me, it should be kadayahan or diverse, knowing that Mutya ng Davao is a platform wherein everyone is accepted, being involved and inclusive. And I believe that amidst diversity, that's the true strength of being a Davaoeña and our authentic identity of being part of Davao City. And if we are able to amplify being diverse in our own ways, then we can create a Davao that is safe and sound for everyone. Thank you.
Mabuhay o Madayaw. Today's Mutya ng Davao theme is about kaanyag, kaalam, gandang Davaoeña. But I would like to add another K to that phrase, and that is katuyuan or purpose. I believe that most of us here are joining because I believe that Mutya ng Davao offers us a bigger platform to champion our causes. Thank you.
Mutya.
Mabuhay ug Madayaw. I think the best description that I would give to a Mutya ng Davao is transformative. As someone who grew up in an underprivileged home, I faced a lot of setbacks as a young girl, but then I don't let those challenges stop me from dreaming. And now I am a licensed nurse and educator and focusing on my advocacy with regards to early childhood healthcare and development. So as a Mutya ng Davao, we should be a transformative leader where we can speak with purpose, drive our children to build their character, and set their biggest dreams in life so that they can be someone who can picture out. And I hope that through my story and through my advocacy, I can transform lives as well. Thank you.
I will describe Mutya ng Davao in one word, that would be commitment. Because Mutya ng Davao crown is not only composed of extravagant stones, but it is composed of perseverance, commitment, and dedication. Because once a Mutya ng Davao is always a Mutya ng Davao. Thank you.
Okay, one word that would describe Mutya ng Davao for me is the dedication, because despite all these ladies having the different advocacies, the different causes of joining Mutya ng Davao, I think one thing that is common in us is that dedication towards making Davao something better for the society, for everyone. Thank you.
I would describe Mutya ng Davao as the voice that can make a change for our community. And as an official candidate of Mutya ng Davao, I want to make a change for for my advocacy, empowering abilities, neurodiversities for an inclusive society. I want to make a change and give a community for those neurodiverse individuals. Thank you.
Mutiana ng Davao for me is disciplinado. So Mutiana ng Davao is a role model among Davaoenos and how it is to embody the values of a true Davaoeno. So Mutiana ng Davao should know by heart the values of a Davaoeno, and it really takes someone to sacrifice her comfort and convenience in service for all the Davaoenos here in Davao City. Thank you.
Alright, so Maboy Manayao social media influencers. For me, Mutiana ng Davao is somebody who is my influensya. Let's be honest, whoever wins the crown will get the most influence. But right now, every one of us has our own influence. And that means that we are holding a double-edged sword. When you become the Mutiana ng Davao, or when you become a Mutia candidate, you have the influence to affect the lives of others and to keep your reputation, and you have a job and responsibility to be a role model to others. That is why if I'm given the chance to choose one word, it would be M for my influence.
For me, a Mutiana ng Davao is compassionate because she is a woman who talks about the causes that are close to her heart. And for me, it is about championing the welfare of OFWs and their families because I believe that more than kaanyag and kaalam, a Mutia should be a woman with a heart. Thank you.
Mutia?
For me, a Mutiana ng Davao should be capable in really realizing her advocacies, capable of carrying the brand of Mutiana ng Davao by being the official ambassadors of Davao City, and capable to serve and be of service in Davao City. Because for me, at the end, Mutiana ng Davao should not just be a queen for a night, but she should be a woman of impact for a lifetime. Thank you.
A visionary, because Mutiana ng Davao should be a leader during her reign that can serve the people of Davao City.
A Mutiana ng Davao is an excellent steward. As a woman working in the corporate world, we are taught to become excellent stewards. It's always the service for the people. And us, 20 candidates standing in front of you, we are excellent stewards of our cause. And if given the chance to become Mutiana ng Davao, I will become that greater and excellent steward for Davao City and for the children of my advocacy to serve Davao and the heart of Davao. Thank you.
One thing that I aim here at Mutiana ng Davao, because this is not just a beauty pageant, this is not just a beauty pageant where you showcase your beauty. It's a beauty pageant where women are allowed to champion their cause, to be the woman who embodies the spirit of our city. And that is why I am here to champion this cause. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Davao in one word and why?
Mutiana ng Davao for me is an inspiration. As someone who was inspired by my mother and grandmother, and especially my fellow candidates, as one of the youngest candidates for Mutiana ng Davao 2025, I am very honored and grateful to be part of the top 20 official candidates. And despite being the youngest candidate here of Mutiana ng Davao 2025, I am very committed to be part of Mutiana legacy, and I want to turn my vision into my action and turn my action into my legacy. Thank you.